Welcome to Digitaloid TV. In today's video, we are going to talk about the worries for online traffic in the tough times. PPC is the answer for getting the online traffic or getting the traffic when you are competing against your good competitors. As convenient as online marketing sounds, it can be frustrating too. Yes, you don't have to move around or spend millions on advertising online physically, but online marketing is not a smooth sail thanks to the competitors. Search engine advertising is one of the most popular forms of PPC. It allows you to create ad placements in search engine as sponsored links or display links, whereas someone searches for the keyword relevant to your business. In the results, they see those links, clicks on it, or directly lands on your website. With PPC, the advantage is that you can start receiving targeted traffic on your website right from the start. PPC stands for pay-per-click online advertising model, where you pay a minimum fee only when your ads are clicked. If you think about it, only people who are interested in your offer will click on your ad. As an advertiser, you will only be deducting money from your account when somebody who is interested and clicks on your ad. So it's a win-win situation for both advertisers or the users. There are several benefits of PPC advertising model. The first one is quick results. You can start getting results from the start. Second one is measurable reports. On the PPC dashboards, the efforts can be easily measured with respect to the ROI, independent of SEO efforts. Without SEO as well, we can start the PPC. Reach the right target audience. We can target the tasks we need to our ads based on multiple variables such as their age, location, interest, behavior, etc. Online branding. PPC plays a major role in branding. Reach out to your local customers. We can target the audience in a particular location. Customizable ad campaigns is the last one. We can customize the ads according to the needs. It can be display, it can be text ads, or it can be the product listing ads. Yes, PPC is one of the most effective digital marketing tools. But here comes the tricky part. Do you really know what keywords you should optimize your campaign for? When to start it or when to stop? Do you know how much to invest actually to receive desired results? Apart from this, the advertisers who are doing the PPC should not make hefty decisions without planning for their PPC campaigns properly. You can get the results with different types of ads which are available. The first one is call-only ads. These campaigns make driving and tracking calls super easy, but they are tricky to execute because they have less real estate to work with. That is, there are no headlines or landing pages. This makes your URL the most important element. Second one is Google Express ads. Much simpler than AdWords, but it requires focus monitoring, or else Google can quickly spend your budget through automated bidding, making it a very costly affair. Smart display campaigns. These campaigns allow you to add multiple images, headlines, and descriptions with one dynamic ad. Using this, Google can constantly mix and match your content to give consumers the most relevant ad based on their query. Discovery video ads, an ad format that promotes your video on the YouTube search results page alongside related videos on the YouTube mobile homepage as well. Fifth one, the thing which you need to consider most is the quality score. Generally speaking, the higher your quality score in Google Ads and Bing Ads, the lower your cost per conversion. Remember, a high quality score is Google's way of saying that your PPC ads meet your potential customer needs. It defines where your ad would be placed, at what position. Nowadays, ad position is the metric which has been obsoleted. Google is not saying it. But quality scores can help you to put your ad on the top alongside your competitors. If you find this process complex, this is where I come into play. While you spend time on the other areas of this, we can manage pay-per-click campaigns for you. We can save your money and bring new customers. If time is a factor and you need fast results, PPC is the way to go. Get in touch with us today to discuss how we can benefit your PPC with our PPC strategies. We will come up with more advanced techniques for managing your PPC in our next video. Until then, happy digital marketing.